All right, you're live.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Dar, and I'm working with Mike with Commercial Investors Group, and one of the new tenants here at the lofts at Station 4, downtown St. Paul, Lower Town. And it's pretty exciting to be in this area, and I gotta tell you, like, working with this group is one of the easiest transitions we've ever gone through, and it's a lot of fun to work with their team and just create this vision for this space in Lower Town, and we can't wait to show you what we've got coming.
Talk to me about the space we're in here real quick.
Yeah, so the space we're in here is the former Station 4. It's going to become Barchala. Barchala is going to be globally influenced American cuisine. Super fun concept. We're going to have an open kitchen here, have the bar access, 16 beers on tap. You know, working with local Lift Bridge Brewery out of Stillwater to bring that in here. Adam Williamson's their head chef, and so we've got a lot of great things planned for this space, and we're excited to expose the space beneath as well, which will be the vaudeville, which will be our speakeasy concept. And we're currently the owners of the Velveteen Speakeasy in Stillwater. So it's going to be fun to bring that vision here as well. And then right next door to us is our fourth location for Studio One Yoga, hot yoga, non-heated showers. It's going to be a lot for the area. It's going to be a lot of fun things.
Should we go see what that looks like?
Yeah, let's go take a look.
All right, let's take a look after you. This is gonna be sweet with all this new storefront going in.
I know. Yeah, so this will be the yoga studios. We're going to use as much of the exposed brick as we can, as much of the high ceilings as we can, but we'll offer what we're usually known for offering, which is we got a little retail area up here. We'll have access to showers, bathrooms, all that kind of stuff. But hot yoga, bringing hot yoga to Lower Town is going to be a blast. So beautiful, huge space. We love working in old historic buildings. And it's true to my wife and I, Sarah's heart, because it's our first location was in an old historic 1868 building, so it's fun to build a new studio in an old classic historic building again.
Yeah, well, I'm really excited to be working with you, Dar. I think that you're visionary, and I think that you're just going to create a ton of value for the community down here. So I'm glad we were able to put together a partnership here to make this deal work.
Yeah, right on.
If people want to check out your existing businesses, where do they find you?
Yeah, so Studio One has 3 East Metro locations. We're in Stillwater, Roseville, and White Bear. And then in downtown Stillwater, we have the Velveteen, which is a speakeasy in the JX Event Center off 2nd Street.
Great. You got a website?
Yeah, so we got www.velveteenspeakeasy.com and also www.studioOneyoga.com. And that accesses all of our locations.